Are you tired of starting from scratch for every product announcement? Learn how to use Klaviyo's template search and start editing a professional email in under 4 minutes. We'll walk through the template library step by step, then narrow down with the search bar and pick the perfect announcement for your product. Click Content to open the section. Then, click on Templates to bring up your template library. From there, type Announcement in the search bar to filter down the list. Once you find the one you like, click on the template to select it. Next, click the Use Template button to load it up for editing. Finally, start editing and make it your own. Enjoy creating, and thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.